Hi there. Today we're looking at the Jutom 78-inch diameter hot tub mat, which includes 21 interlocking foam pieces designed to protect your outdoor spa or pool floor. These foam tiles are easy to assemble into a perfect circle and just as simple to disassemble for convenient storage. The non-slip textured surface provides excellent grip, helping prevent slips and falls even when wet. Made from durable EVA material, this mat offers reliable insulation, reduces noise, and keeps your floor clean and dry. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe away dirt, water, or debris with a cloth. Plus, the included small mat keeps your pump protected and stable. This hot tub flooring protector combines safety, comfort, and convenience for your outdoor relaxation space. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.